I wasn't the best behaved, nor the worst as a child. I have dyslexia, dyspraxia, and many other disorders not in the dictionary. I'm also a highly qualified electro-mechanical engineer, an outstanding teacher UK and New Zealand, a conference speaker, a foster parent, an entrepreneur, a home and dog owner, i.e. I live a normal, productive life. I've always worked hard, apparently 6 to 10 times harder than those without dyslexia and other disorders. So over 20 years of teaching in the UK and New Zealand, I know how hard it is on both sides of the world. The hours, the stress, the heartache. It was a lot easier being an engineer with a few hundred workers under me. That said, I'm so blessed that colleagues usually sent their behaviour kids to me. You see, I have this knack of being able to unlock children's ability, which is an awesome thing to experience and be part of. What's not so awesome is that a single parent has just paid over $300 to have her child tested for dyslexia. That's the 5th I've heard of this month. And it's not even the most common form of dyslexia found in New Zealand. The report states further testing is needed, and most teachers I know struggle to understand what to do from the 20+ page report. Please note, it's not parents, teachers, or even the government's fault. People don't know what they don't know. I do know, and I'm keen to empower parents and teachers to unlock their children's ability to learn. I've had amazing success with a holistic approach for teachers, TAs, parents, and many grandparents that I've trained. Huge success and increase in well-being, both for students and teachers. So, as requested by school SENCos and mentioned by Tracy Martin when she asked for universally discrete screening dyslexia, if you'd like to know how to universally screen for dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, that's about the reading, the writing and the maths, relevant to a New Zealand setting, which is actually simpler than you think, and you'll be able to understand your child better, reduce behaviour problems, just get in contact about having a taster session, because we back the teachers. It's not just about pay, otherwise I'd have stayed in engineering where my expense account per week was as much as I earned in teaching per month. So it's suitable for identification on the SEN Register, which is to universally screen, to get data needed to apply for funding and to tell everybody you have these kids with these needs. It's really easy to do. It's an inclusive approach and works for below standard to gifted students, and better still, DYSCO will come to you for the taster session. You just pay my expenses. Kia ora.